So here we go again. There's been a lot going on this week. You may have seen some things been quiet. You might have seen some YouTubers been quiet. And you may have seen me disappear again. I'm going to go into it. And you may actually ask the question many times. You wonder why we don't cover certain topics. Why we don't do videos on certain things. The amount of people who tell me, do a video on this app. Do a video on my paid service. Why don't you cover this topic? Why don't you make videos about how to install this, that, and the other? It's because we get shut down. Okay, we get striked. And it's been happening loads this week, and it seems to be coming over certain topics. I'm going to go through what's been going on and try and keep you in the loop. So, before we do that, if you are brand new here, do make sure you hit that follow button. We do cover streaming content, Firesticks, Android TV, how to install stuff, how to keep your devices safe, and your privacy. And the big thing we do talk about is privacy, and make sure you've got your VPN running as well. If you need a VPN, there's a great discount for you, linked underneath in the pinned comment. So, this week, let's start with me, then we will get on to TDUK. Mine is on the TOC, okay? So, thankfully, well, I say thankfully, I got shut down on the TOC twice. Not once, twice last week. TOC, for those, I'm just abbreviating it because obviously I can't really mention that platform on this platform. You can see it there. This is my new channel. It's now called Chris Squiffy because Doc Squiffy gets shut down instantly. We had about 60,000 followers on there, got shut down, and the reasoning... community guidelines closed down. What they reached it on was selling harmful goods, all this sort of stuff. I don't sell anything on TikTok. I don't sell anything anywhere, to be fair. And this is what it got done. There's no appeal system. It doesn't work. Never has done. So it's gone. Channel's gone. That happened twice. I started a new one. Closed again. So we're going on a third one with a new name this time. This is about the 6th, 7th time it's happened to me on there. What they don't like is... certain words with that one, and there's no support system, so you can't contact them, can't help them. All I do is tips, tricks, and guides there. But sometimes if I use the word free or free movies or streaming, Firestick, they put 2 and 2 together and they think, right, you know, he's up to no good. So that is the issue there with that one. So if anyone wants to follow me, come and look me up. It's Chris Squiffy, or I will link it underneath for you as well in the pinned comment and the description. It would really help me out if we can start to boost that one back up again. And fingers crossed, we can keep it online. But it happens all across the platforms to a lot of us. And a lot of us, you know, it's hard work to try and get these tips and guides out to you safely. Tech Doctor. Let me just... where is this one? This one here. Let me go a little bit bigger for you. So I might be able to hold it out. All there. He got hit. Firestick app restrictions just changed again. This is on his videos regarding... Firestick app restrictions, pretty much the Amazon blocks. Amazon blocking you installing certain apps, and he got hit by 3 different videos, all while he was, you know, he wasn't there for a few days, really. He was trying to get things, and when you get one strike, you get a week. You can't post videos for a week. So you may have noticed his videos slowed up. He's back now, and it'd be great if you can go and show him some support as well. Tech Doctor UK. These were all on the same subject. They all seem to be focused around the cloning of applications. Cloning of apps and bypassing, should we say, Amazon's blocks. So whether these reports have come from Amazon to YouTube, whether they're working together making this happen, but it was very coincidental. All 3 were around the same subject and they all got hit. And it's pretty much around the app cloning and the circumvention of Firestick and Amazon's blocking of apps, whether it's the install block or whether it's the blocking of the apps when you're trying to open them. So he got hit 3 strikes. Thankfully, all 3 strikes combined to 1. So he got hit. He's done there, and he's fine. Because if you get so many strikes on YouTube, you lose your channel. And when you put as much work in as many of us do, it's very painful. Okay, so that's the last thing that people want to happen. But hopefully, he will learn from that one. He's learned his way, and maybe it takes him. Leave out my book and learn from the best. Now, he's a good guy. He does some great videos, so make sure you do go and follow him over there. Us, we're going to keep pushing forward. So if you can, the key here is making sure you are following on all platforms. Facebook at the moment, if you guys are on Facebook, our Facebook page is huge. The platforms are huge. Facebook is booming at the moment. I never used to like that platform. I used to like X. X is a rubbish platform these days. So if you are on Facebook, I'll link that underneath. Come and find us as well. We have a group there with about 20,000. Page closing in on 50,000 followers there. So if one goes, we can keep you updated with the others. YouTube's still going strong. We're over 700,000 now, but the top is the hardest one for us to keep going, it seems. So do get on there, okay? So the best thing you can do is get on that platform. If you can get on those platforms, really useful, really great. Okay, so make sure you're following me on all platforms. Make sure you're following Tech Doctor, and we'll keep you up to date with everything streaming, and we'll try and keep ourselves online.